So, I've signed a consent form before coming to the session where I've signed off my limbs and life to the session. And, just saying, Mama, full fam, I love you guys if I don't make it back down. But, Hi, I'm Mansi Daga, and I really don't resonate with the idea of choosing a place to settle in before you've seen it all and weighed your options. I mean, you really experiment and weigh your options when it comes to who to settle with, then why doesn't the same apply to where to settle in? And how can we decide before we've seen it all? Do you know how many countries there are in this world? 195. And I am already 26, और यार back pain is real. ठीक है? So before budhapa kicks in, there are mountains to climb, waves to surf and lots of money to make. थोड़ा deep हो गया ना? Great. Now that I know this intro works, I am always going to use this to justify my आवारापन. क्या? अरे क्या देख रहे हो? आवारापन और सब ठीक है, मुझे काम भी करना होता है. जाओ. While Manali was an absolute bliss, I have now come to the paragliding capital of India, Bir Billing. It's a small hamlet in Himachal which is heavily influenced by the Tibetan culture, monasteries, and has a very spiritual vibe. What I personally love about this place is that landscapes here keep changing throughout the day. हमेशा कुछ नए रंग दिखते हैं. And since I am here, you would have guessed that this is a great destination for digital nomads. You know what? Don't take my word for it. I've bumped into somebody very interesting, a fellow co-worker, who is? Aditi. Aditi, tell us more about your experience with working remotely.
You see, Mansi, there are cafes that you can go to work, and there is a proper co-working space where you only come to work.
Right.
I love this space because, as you can see, it's good for working, plus they have a power backup. So I always know my work will never suffer.
Right, and which is also why I'm here, because today is a heavy work day and I need a place that puts me in the work mode.
So you're at the best place.
I'm at the best place, and I'm going to stop distracting you as well now.
Thank you so much.
And we shall get right into working. After a long day of work, I am now heading back to my hostel, Bir Nest. And this beautiful man is Elliot. Hi Elliot! Everybody, meet Elliot, a fire flow artist from France who has been taking workshops here in Bir. I had been manifesting flowing with fire for a while now, and when I saw them perform in Bir Nest, all it took was for me to ask if I could try it and for them to say, why not? But Elliot, I'm generally very clumsy here, right?
Very nice. No,
I don't think I'm somebody who can be trusted around fire. After 3 such fun classes and sore arms, we finally danced at the landing site, and this is how it went. I love mornings at Bir Nest. They are musically quiet, full of hope and new possibilities.
Mansi,
What?
you know what time it is?
What time?
It's time for influenza kind of tour.
Let's go. Namaskar. Bir Nest पे आपका स्वागत है. Bir Nest has something for everybody. It gives you 2 options. You like the quiet? You stay here. You like some buzz? You stay here. You like to read? This is your spot. You like to work? This is your spot. You like to party? This is your spot. And now I'd like to go back to painting. Bye. After a quiet and colorful morning, it's now time to jump into work. And while I'm at it, Today, I'll be giving you a sneak peek into all the cafes I love to work from in Bir. And we'll be doing this on a mountain bike. Hop on.
But where, Mansi?
Well, then get your own bike. And yaar, please, ये bag भी रख ले. Please carry it. Thank you. Let's go. What makes this place special is how cute, kutti and airy it is, yaar. सब जगह से हवा आती है. Silver Linings is a small mud house turned into a cafe, super green and very open. And I love the sound of birds chirping when my keyboard's clicking. Garden Cafe is one of the oldest cafes of Bir. It is always hustling and bustling with 3 types of sitting areas, like indoor, outdoor, rooftop, and the best kind of food. And I've saved my best for the last. Moonshine Cafe, which also has the Moonshine Studio right next to it. I like to go here in the evenings after my work is done and chill with Chiggy. Today I'm going to make a dream catcher with her from a twig she has plucked out of her backyard.
Everybody makes them round, but generally when you make it with a natural thing, if you see, there is nothing in symmetry in nature.
Yeah.
So when you roll it, you have to feel it, you have to be one with it, and then you have to not break it. That's when you become one, and then you roll it in its own shape.
So let's do this. There are very few things I need to know how to roll in life. I really hope I don't snap it. But is this it?
You can do whatever you want. You can roll it again.
This kind of freedom should not be given to me. That is when I destroy things. Like add this to this.
You can just cut it out.
Yeah?
And then you just taste it out.
Saurabh, does it look like an eye to you?
Yes, it does.
Okay, cool. Is it a pretty eye or is it a scary eye?
It's a pretty eye.
Is it looking into your soul yet?
Yes, it is.
Okay, great. So we're gonna make an eye.
Leave it now, leave it. Leave it on this hand. There we go.
Oh my god. Oh, this is what I love about this life. Learning new things, making new friends. Thank you so much for making this possible.
You're most welcome, you're most welcome.
With the best kind of ambience, best environment, the most nourishing. She was just like, do whatever you want. I got you. This is all we need. This is my dream catcher. My very first dream
Beautiful.
catcher.
Beautiful.
Got it. To all the dreams that are about to come true now.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I really didn't have to think too hard for an activity for my first weekend in Bir Billing. It's one of the most popular spots for paragliding. People from all over the world come here to fly. I met folks from most continents in Bir, mega passionate about flying, staying here and working remotely for over a month. This does not get better than this. I'm flying with a legend. We went around asking for a GoPro stick and everyone was like, are you the one flying with breathtaking, sir? Like, yeah man, I'm that lucky girl. I do want to mention that Gurpreet never does tandem flying. He only teaches now. And you have to come with a certain passion to learn from him. So Gurpreet, just one question.
Yeah.
Why is Bir and paragliding so associated? Like, wow, it's a small village. How did paragliding come to Bir, or how did Bir find paragliding?
God created a perfect playground for paragliding and people discovered it.
And now it's been all these years, 26, 29 years, and Sir's been up in the air. And today I'm gonna be up in the air.
Run, not just wave your legs.
Bir eye और monasteries नहीं देखी तो क्या देखा? So after all this adrenaline rush, I'm going to go find some peace and chill with the monks. मुझे लग रहा है मैं ना पिट जाऊंगी यहाँ पे. I don't want to test the patience of very patient monks. But let's do it. Excuse me. Hi. Hi, I'm Mansi. I'm making a travel show, and there are a couple of questions that I have for you. Some very simple questions. I think a lot of people are very curious about what monkhood would be. Yeah, but would it be okay if I film it? Would it be okay if I film it? No?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, why not? Go ahead.
Very simple question I have. One question. Can I ask you?
Dharma I think you will have to ask the media people.
Yeah.
So we are just practitioners.
Yeah.
We are not actually the
There are media
ordained
people
monk.
in
We are not ordained monk.
Okay.
So we came here just to get sadhana, daily practices.
Right.
I am already 51.
Ah.
So I don't know how long I'm going to live. So we want to see the truth. When we say about truth, again, we will say truth, if you are happy now, you say, okay, I'm fulfilled with the truth. But there is a term called complete truth. What does that complete truth mean to you? So I think these are some of the things we have to reflect on in life.
That is very true. I'm already starting to reflect. I think I'm going to stop the video and I want to sit and reflect. In my experience, लोगों के commitment issues usually stay limited to relationships, but mine transcend to places. And while I believe that home is where the heart is, पर अपना दिल है आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा. हाल ही में तो बिर पे आया है, आगे कहाँ जाएगा उसके लिए you have to stay tuned to my nomadic nonsense and subscribe to Tripoto. Okay, bye.